What's up, fuckers? I'm back and I'm here to stay. I know you probably haven't seen this beautiful face in a minute, but I'm back. Still making more money than ever for clothing brands. But today we're going to be breaking down a quick case study for a clothing brand. We 5x their sales, like 6x their sales realistically, but 5x their sales in less than 30 days. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did, how we were able to make this much money, what changed, what didn't change, and yeah. So as you can see, we have January and we have February. A lot changed in literally less than 30 days. This was before I was in the picture, and this is with me in the picture. So 530% increase in sales, 470% increase in orders, and 100% increase in conversion rate. That's the biggest piece of the pie. The fastest way you can see if a clothing brand is overspending on marketing is going to be this conversion rate. So if they're sitting sub 1% conversion, they're overspending. They're driving too many people onto the site that aren't purchasing. If you're not getting one person to purchase per 100 people, you're flopping. So if you see someone flexing 20K in revenue and fucking a 0.2% conversion rate, just know they are in the shitter. But I'm going to show you guys the ads manager as well right here, so that way you can see we fucking banged, like disgustingly banged. I could have spent way more money, but we're rebuilding something. We're in the process of taking something that wasn't working and making it work. But yeah, can't be mad about fucking $100 spent in a weekend to make fucking $5,000. But what had to change to bring this extra revenue? We implemented a brand new website. New website equals fuck ton more conversions. That's the only piece I want you to take away from this is if the website is stunning your conversions, just fucking fix it. If you're already doing 10 bands in sales, you double your conversion rate, there's your fucking 20K month. Everybody immediately jumps to, fuck bro, let me spend more money on ads, let me make a cooler product, let me do this. But if you're like a sub 1% conversion rate, you're sinking. Like, you don't need to spend more money. You need to fix something that's stunning the people that are going on the website. You need to fix whatever's stunning your conversion rate. So we implemented a brand new website that was fucking huge. That's the doubled conversion rate. The previous agency was overspending with absolutely no structure when it came to how they were spending this money. If you're still using Andromeda setups in fucking 2026, you're dumb as bricks. Fucking kick that to the curb. Andromeda does not work. It is a fucking lie. They always be doing this. They implement the dumbest shit ever. If you think that AI that makes them shitty ass fucking ad creatives that you'll see when you're setting up your ads, if you think that AI knows how to fucking market, teach their own. Might work for a supplement or something where it can actually, read text or something, but clothing, that thing's not fucking fly. It just doesn't get it. And that's why half of you motherfuckers can't sign any clients, is because you're not fly. You don't get it. Like, you don't aesthetically get it. It's an aesthetic business and it's very whatever. We also brought in upsells and bundle deals. Those were fucking huge. I'm going to show you guys how you can set up some upsells for yourself on your website, how to clean up your cart a little bit. This is an app that I use personally for every single one of my clients. If you want to go on any of my clients' websites and be some fucking rats, go ahead. But the app's called Upcart. I'm not sponsored at all. I wish they would sponsor me. That would be fucking sick. I'd love to make some content for them because I like making content for things that actually work. And this company has made me a fuck ton of extra money, so I'm going to put some extra money in their pockets. It does cost money, but you get a free 2-week trial. So right before the drop, get Upcart, set up the 2-week free trial, make the money to pay the $20 a month, and then pay for it. I think they're just that confident in their product and their service that they'll give you those free 2 weeks so you can make money and then you can pay them. It's the best setup ever. So I would definitely try it out. I wouldn't set it up until right before your drop so that way you can maximize that 2-week free trial. But I'm going to walk you guys through setting this up real quick. As you boys can see, in the past 30 days, we had $760 in attributed revenue from this app alone. Pay $20 a month for $760 a month. $740 profit. The way you set this up is actually super simple. You download the Upcart app on Shopify, literally click in the fucking search bar and look up Upcart. And this will come up, whatever, click the edit cart drawer. This is what we're looking for. This is so fucking sick, dude. You can add all these different upsells within the cart. You don't have to do any sort of coding, none of that bullshit. And you can make a fuck ton of extra money. And the biggest thing too is the free shipping up at the top. That's the biggest upsell ever. Upselling with free shipping. If you spend more money, you save money. Those analytics I just showed you didn't attribute any of that free shipping. What happens when you see that? You click the X and you go find something for the amount that you're missing. So none of that revenue is attributed to Upcart, but it really does fucking increase your revenue drastically. But it's super simple to set up. You just go inside this cart drawer and you just literally go through everything. You edit all your colors to match your brand's colors. If my brand's colors were fucking pink, I'd make it fucking pink. So you go into tiered rewards, scroll down, fucking edit the text if you want to edit the text. Just make the text match your brand's copy, but more importantly, rewards calculation. You're going to click on cart total. You're going to go tier 1, and then you're going to reward type, shipping, minimum amount, XYZ, free shipping, you're X amount away from free shipping. And that creates this little fucking bar up here that looks so sick and continues to move as you add products. I add something right here. Give her a second to load. Okay, I don't think it wants to load inside the little builder. Okay, yeah, it's not going to load inside of here, but it looks great on the website. It operates smooth as fuck. You can edit all of the fonts, all the text, everything can be completely custom. You can change your custom upsells, and that's what I wanted to get into is all of these add-ons down here. So when you're greeted with free shipping, but you're $66 away from it, you're like, fuck. How can I get myself to that $66? Well, right here, there's some options to get yourself to that $66. If you have some higher priced items, you can make it so you have $66 items sitting there, or bump your free shipping threshold down so that way it fits 2 hoodies perfectly, 2 tees, 2 fucking dildos. But y'all just gotta use the brain. So $66, if I wanted that to be $60, I'd change my minimum amount to fucking $140. Bada bing, bada bam. All of a sudden, I'm $56 away. But yeah, Upcart can pay me if they want more of an ad. So, and I mean, shit, Upcart, that's kind of my sauce. You know what I'm saying? I got the camera, it's kind of my sauce. But that's enough about that. But yeah, using these simple tactics that I literally use for every single brand that I work with, and I can just continue to rinse and repeat, I'm able to take a brand from doing $4,000 a month to doing $25,000 a month without spending any more money on ads. I mean, you saw the ads manager, we spent $100 and I made fucking $5,000. Like, scaling a brand goes so much deeper than just running ads, and if you're only running ads for a brand, you're replaceable, and I hate to break it to you, brother, but you gotta fix the system. And that's exactly what we cover with all of my dogs in BrandScale OS. It's not some shitty cheap course, it's a program that I worked years on that's a proven system that fucking works. It's not for beginners, it's not some A to Z brand scaling course, it's a community for high level people. So if that sounds interesting to you and you fit that criteria, first link in the description, learnbrandscaling.com. But yeah, other than that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, fucking help your boy out a little bit. Upcart, give me my motherfucking cheddar. And yeah, I will catch you boys in the next one. Go make some money. Hopefully this was kind of helpful.